Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a Primetime News follow-up about a woman whose family found her with maggots in her mouth. This despite paying $40,000 per month for her care at a nursing home in Portmore St. Catherine.
Well, the Portmore Municipal Corporation has given the operator of the unregistered home 7 days to close.
TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has part 2 of this report.
Like most others who saw TVJ's report on the condition of Mrs. Phelan Palmer Rainford, Councillor Rainier Benjamin of the West Chester Division in St. Catherine was outraged and promised immediate action from the Municipal Corporation's enforcement branch. We understand the owner of the nursing home in question has since been contacted by the corporation. The councillor at the same time is, however, warning members of the public to do checks when searching for a nursing home for their loved ones. For him, ignoring the warning signs brings risks. But what are some of the signs? For starters, the nursing home must have a sign with its name that is prominently displayed on the premises. This is important because a sign would have attracted enforcement teams or health inspectors.
If they have taken somebody there as a resident of the nursing home, they would be doing that at their own risk because it's not registered as a commercial entity. And if it's not registered as for such an entity, there will be no proper inspection or monitoring or supervision of that place. And we at the Municipal Council here, we have regular interaction with places like the St. Catherine Health Department, who have their health inspectors who do inspection of facilities like these to make sure that they are up to the required standard for operating homes like those.
His views were echoed by the family. They don't want anyone else to experience the trauma they're still trying to overcome from seeing their mother with maggots in her mouth.
So do your investigation, call ministry. Is this home registered? Is this safe to put my family member there? You know, you will probably get some, because most of them are in the communities. So you probably can find somebody in the community that you can either call one side and either question about it. Have you heard anything happening over there, you know?
As for Mrs. Phelan Rainford, she was taken to hospital where medical practitioners extracted the maggots from her mouth and cleaned her up. She is still in hospital. Her family says when she is discharged, she will be placed in a registered nursing home. Her family shared these pictures with us of her in her 40s and in better times. However, 10 years later, with the onset of Parkinson's disease, heart problems and strokes, she's bedridden and helpless. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.